we have multiplication of algebraic fractions, so we have to use the same rule like for multiplication of fractions. So we have to write 1 fraction bar, and we have to multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So we have 2t squared plus t minus 21 times t squared minus 16 over 3t squared plus 13t plus 4 times t squared minus 9. Next step, we have to reduce to the lowest terms. So we need to have multiplication, we reduce numerator with denominator, and we have to have the same expression in parentheses. So at that moment we don't have any expression which is the same. So first, let's see what we have in the first parenthesis. We have quadratic trinomial. So let me copy this quadratic trinomial. We will try to use grouping method to factorize this trinomial. So because coefficient before t squared is different than 1, so first we have to multiply 2 times negative 21 constant, so this is equal negative 42. And now we have to find two numbers which I multiply, and I will have negative 42, and when I add them I have to have 1. Coefficient before t is 1. So it will be 7 and negative 6, of course. So now I can rewrite our trinomial that this is 2t squared I have to copy, and t I will rewrite that this is 7t minus 60. This is exactly t. And negative 21 we have to copy. And now we can factorize from these two first terms t, and we will have 2t plus 7 in the first parenthesis, and from the last two terms I will factorize negative 3. So in parentheses I will have 2t plus 7. So now we have the same expression in parentheses, so we will factorize 2t plus 7, and whatever left will be in the second parenthesis, so this is t and negative 3. So now we can rewrite our first expression in parentheses. And what else we have here? In this denominator we have trinomial, quadratic trinomial. So we will try factorize this trinomial by using grouping method as well. So we will have, let me copy this expression, 3t squared plus 13t plus 4. So coefficient before t is different than 1, so I have to multiply 3 by constant 4, so this is 12. Next I have to find two numbers which I multiply, and I will have 12. And when I add these two numbers, I have to have coefficient before t, so this is 13. So it will be 1 and 12. So now I can rewrite our trinomial that it will be 3t squared I have to copy, and 13t I can rewrite that this is 1t plus 12. 12t, and 4 we have to copy, so this is equal. From these two first expressions we can factorize t, and in parentheses we will have 3t plus 1, and from the last two terms I will factorize 4, so it will be 3t plus 1. 3t plus 1 we can factorize, and in the second parenthesis I will have whatever left is t and plus 4. Now we can come back to our algebraic fractions, and first expression in parentheses I will substitute by 2t plus 7 times t minus 3, and next we have t squared minus 16, so I can rewrite that this is t squared minus 4 squares. So we have difference of two perfect squares, and denominator first trinomial we will substitute by this expression. So this is 3t plus 1 times t plus 4, and t square minus 9, we can rewrite that this is t square minus 3 squares. So we have again difference of two perfect squares. So we will rewrite 2t plus 7 times t minus 3, and now let me remind you this formula, difference of two perfect squares when we have a square minus b square, this is a minus b times a plus b. So we have t minus 4 times t plus 4 over, we have to copy 3t plus 1 times t plus 4, and again we will use the same formula, difference of two perfect squares, so will be t minus 3 times t plus 3. So this is equal. Now when we have multiplication, we can reduce numerator with denominator. We have t minus 3 and t minus 3, so we can cancel out, and 3 plus 4 with 3 t plus 4. Now the rest we have to copy, so this is equal. We have 2t plus 7 times t minus 4 over, we have 3t plus 1 times t plus 3. This is my solution.